does not take us to Tuxi. He does not love us. He does not care about us. He didn't even take us to Tuxi or school. And he don't love us. If he does that again, we will never ever want him. Abba went to the other women and other children. He don't love us. He don't care about us. He didn't even take us to school or madrasa. He didn't
Even you don't have family to support you.
even
For
don't
yourself.
have family to support us.
For your family.
For our family.
Yes, they are all your enemies. Huh?
They are all our enemies.
He love only money and passport. He think he's gonna go to America.
He only loves money and passport.
And other women kids, ne?
He loves other women and other women kids. He loves money and passport.
Do you love him anymore?
No, because he always betray us.
Huh?
No,
Do you love your father? Huh?
I love you.
Who look after you?
You.
Huh?
You.
And what about you, Hazm?
You. Look at my
To take you to school because of the way he hit me. Even you guys, he don't love you anymore. You know that? Huh?
He do.
When he divorced me, he divorced you also. Huh? So, we're gonna pray together. Allah will help us. We don't care if he live or other places or he go with other women or even if he leave you forever, Allah is there for us.